Introducing Zinga, the revolutionary solution for protecting and preserving bridges. Are you ready to take your bridge maintenance to new heights? Imagine a world where your bridge stays strong, resilient, and corrosion-free for years to come. With Zinga, that vision becomes a reality.
How do you like to work with Zinga?
Working with Zinga compared to traditional systems is a significant improvement. Application process goes smoother, more efficient, and we don't have to wait for multiple layers to dry. It's a game changer for us.
Zinga's application process is quick and hassle-free, saving you time and effort during your bridge maintenance projects.
What are the biggest advantages of using Zinga?
The biggest advantage with the Zinga system is the ability to apply only 2 coats. We can start and finish job at the same day. Since it's one component system, that means we don't have to mix different components or deal with complicated preparations. It's very convenient and a long-lasting cathodic protection. And if repairs are needed, it's very easy to touch up and restore the coating. So that saves us time and resources.
With Zinga, you can say goodbye to costly and frequent repairs. Its long-lasting protection means fewer maintenance interventions and reduced lifetime costs.
How is it to work with Zinga compared to metallization?
Zinga is much more convenient. It provides the same galvanic protection, but without the challenges of handling molten metals or strict environmental conditions. So Zinga allows us greater flexibility in application and easy touch-up and repair, and it's a very good choice for us.
With Zinga, you're not just protecting a bridge, you're investing in its future. Say goodbye to costly maintenance and hello to long-term durability. Discover the power of Zinga today and witness your bridges stand the test of time. Zinga, the ultimate solution for bridge protection.